What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Femi Abdul. In today's video, I am going to be going over what I think about what's going on in the market right now. Let's get into it. This video is going to be pretty short because I am deciding not to think about the market. This shit is stressful. I am going to be focusing on other things, which is why I'm making my portfolio a little bit more simpler and focusing more on long-term holds, as in shares, which is why I recently just got 100 shares of something I don't want to think about. This increases the possibility of me not being so stressed out with the market and just setting it and forgetting it. Pretty short video. That's it. But realistically, y'all, so if y'all new here, I used to have a lot of positions in my portfolio. Now I only have 6 positions in my portfolio. 2 of them are currently at 100 shares each. The plan is to get a 3rd one and then maybe a 4th one by the end of 28. But right now, the plan is to just not pay attention to the jargon. Expect the pullback at least twice a year, especially with Sir Trump's a lot in office, you feel me? I don't really give a damn about what's going on in the market. All I have been doing every day I look at the market is just buying 1 more share of VTI. Guaranteed, I have to buy 1 more share of VTI. So I'm about to have almost $7,000 in VTI alone because I just want to be so brain dead about this investing thing. I feel like I realized after losing 100K in 1 month plus, I realized that it's okay to just do this shit the simple way. Having a bunch of positions and a bunch of trades you got to keep track of, companies you got to keep track of, it's not helping me. And I would like to be more efficient. So VTI and 6 other positions for right now. We have ASML, Lilly, Amazon, Google, Nvidia. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. About 90% of people that watch my videos do not hit the like or subscribe button, which is cool with me. It is what it is, but if y'all do want to show appreciation or just help your boy out a little bit, hit that like button, subscribe. It costs nothing. Appreciate you. That's it. If I'm missing one, let me see. Nope. Ooh, Microsoft. Can't forget Microsoft. But simple. I got options. They're mostly leaps for 2 years even. And I'm not buying another option until this market bottoms, which is probably going to be first week of April. I'm cool with that. I already got shorts in place since the market is falling. I'm up about 60%. I took profit on 1 of them today. I have about 4 shorts right now. 3 actually. I sold 1 today, so I'll be all right. I also really got comfortable. I'm getting comfortable with short in the market right now. I usually don't like doing it. It just never felt right. But this economy, you got to just get with the program. And the program is simpler, it's better. Dealing with 1 person is in a relationship is better than dealing with 3. I guess it depends on who you ask. I don't have the space. I have a lot of things to get done. School, actual 9 to 5, and still dealing with the military, and still trying to take care of my body, going to therapy every day, whoop-de-whoop bang. I don't got time to be that active. So that's my plan, trying to just not think about the market. I really don't want to hear about the market. It's gonna rise. What they say, the market is rigged to stay up. I believe it to a certain extent. Just by looking at the chart, shorty falls, shorty rises. That's all I need to know. Same thing with real estate, which is why I need to get into real estate. It's pretty much the story. That's the gist of it. Nothing else to it but to do it. And that's pretty much it, y'all. If you got anything from this video, get you an ETF. Get you max maybe 4 of your favorite stocks if you want to get into this game. Get you 4 of your favorite stocks. How I pick mine from my siblings or my friends, whoever they use the best. If they qualify as top tier, I let them pick it. All right, like my brother, I opened up his what do they call it? God diggity, custodial account. I asked him, all right, you gonna invest some chicken? I'm gonna throw some money in there for you, but it's gonna be yours. Who's your favorite company? He don't know. Who company do you feel like you use the most? He don't know. So I told him, you buy shit off of Amazon because you swipe my card. Amazon is gonna be one of your favorite companies. And I said, you watch YouTube videos a lot. Google is gonna be one of your favorite companies. You like going places. You use that Google map. Google is gonna be one of your favorite companies. So that's how I pick. So Amazon, Google, or Amazon. I think Amazon, we had to pick between Amazon and Google. And then Nvidia, I think, he don't have a choice. He gonna have Nvidia in there. But either which way, That's how I usually pick my 2 stocks. Once I do get some more chicken, I can bless the boy a little bit more. Definitely gonna just VTI himself until death do us apart. So it's just simple, broad, whole market, bam. So if you guys are new to this, I say pick one or all the ETFs you fucking want, and then a couple stocks. Options, futures trading, simple is better. A couple ETFs, call it a day. Long term, you be all right. In 2, 10, 20 years, you won't even know what the fuck happened, because I did the math, right? I'm talking to some shorty right now, and I did the math. Yo, look, matter of fact, just max out your job, right? That's what I told her. Max out the 401k job. See what happened in 10 years. She's like, I can't do the math. Search up fucking Roth or 401k calculator or Roth calculator. Whoop-de-whoop. We did the math. She put 2K in there for 10 years. It was like 25 grand at a 7% average return or something like that. It was either 2K we did or $1,000 a year. Some crazy number. Either which way, all you know is you put money over a 10-year period, you guaranteed to make some chicken, guarantee. And all you gotta do is $100 some a month. Your company gonna match it anyway. So just start. I say just start. I'm definitely gonna be starting once I get my first job and I start my first day. I wanna talk to HR. I need to know all the benefits I get, you feel me? I don't need your medical, so throw that in there too. Like, God, man, I need to do some more research on benefits I get. But either which way, simple is better. I have learned my lesson. I am telling y'all now, I have learned my lesson. Simple is better when it comes to trading and investing. Fast growth ain't really the spiel. It's exciting. Ooh, 100% one day. Ooh, but also stressful when it goes the opposite direction. You feel me? So take care of yourself. Your health, mental is what's priority, and all this chicken ain't gonna go nowhere. And if it does go somewhere, bump it. You can't control it. Enjoy life while you at it. Go to Japan. I am. Next month, finna get jiggy. You feel me? I ain't gonna have enough money to put in the market next month, but I'll forgive myself for that later. Other than that, stay positive, stay motivated. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace and love, baby.